Edukasyon ang pamana ng bawat magulang na tunay na hindi mananakaw ng sino man sa kanilang mga anak. Maaaring umabot sa 2 dekada ang gugugulin sa pag-aaral. Mahabang panahon na di dapat masayang at totoong nangangailangan ng matalinong pagdedesisyon. Kaya naman sa tulong ng International Education Specialist at sa pagdiriwang ng kanilang 25th Career Counseling Guidance Fair sa Pilipinas, naggaganapin sa ika-5 at ika-6 ng Setyembre sa Philippine International Convention Center. Mas paiigtingin pa nito ang lahat ng maaari nitong maitutulong sa high school at college students. Tahakin pa nila sa kanilang pag-aaral at magiging karera. Sa kadahilalang maraming mga aspeto ang maaaring makaapekto sa mga mag-aaral upang makapili ng kanilang mga kukuhaning kurso at karera. Nakaalalay ang Interred sa pamamagitan ng taong-taong pagsasagawa ng mga fairs, seminars at workshops.
My role was always to strengthen the convention by providing lectures, workshops on career guidance, like enlightening parents. What should they consider when they help their children choose a career?
Hindi rin lingid sa ating kaalaman na isang malaking dahilan ang hangarin ng mga magulang sa kanilang mga anak ukol sa kursong kukuhanin ng kanilang mga anak na kalimitang nauuwi sa di maganda at tinatawag na nagiging biktima ng mismatched jobs.
Many of our students choose careers because 70 or 80% are influenced by parents. But the sad thing is, many of the parents do not really know their children deeply. So their children follow, but on the 2nd and 3rd year, you will see that they are not doing well in their degree program, and so they shift. Manage to finish the degree program, but after they finish the degree program, they are into mismatched jobs.
Isa rin sa mga hangarin ng Interred para sa mga estudyante ay ang maiwasan ang pagkasayang ng panahon at pondong inilalaan ng mga magulang para sa pag-aaral ng kanilang mga anak at mapababa ang porsyento ng mga walang trabaho sa bansa.
There are 900 to 950,000 graduates every year. Now, you will have an idea of the mismatch because you will see people who are underemployed and who are unemployed, even if they have college degrees.
Kaya naman sa inaasang 10,252 high school students, 160 high schools, 44 Philippine colleges, institutes at universities na dadalo sa 25th Career Counseling Guidance Fair sa darating na Setyembre ika-5 at ika-6 ng alas 8 ng umaga hanggang alas 4 ng hapon sa PICC, ay patuloy pa nilang hinihikayat ang mga mag-aaral upang mas magkaroon ng kaalaman at patuloy na pumasok ang dakilang oportunidad para sa bawat isa at patuloy na matutong tumayo sa sariling paa at makatulong din sa iba.
I'm inviting the students now because you may have your career job or job fairs in your respective schools, but when you go to the fair, you will be exposed to the information from different schools. You will be interacting with different students from different schools. So it's not just getting to know about the school or getting to know the program. You will also be able to get to know about how different people are. But you know, even if you're different, you have one goal. You want to choose the right career. You want to choose the right school because you want to have a better life. You know, a healthy level of autonomy, and not just depending on your parents.